Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, December 13th, and I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So, on the pound dollar, then we have a couple options. This could end up being like a running flat wave seed. If it is, then it would make a higher low, and then turn back up, making that expanding flat wave C, which would most likely go up and take out these highs. Option number two is that this could turn into an expanding wave C. If it does, then it will most likely take out all these lows before it actually does go up. Luckily, we should be able to recognize when the trend is over on shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly, we definitely did make a move up over about 2 weeks straight, but we have no breaker structure, we have no significant higher low. The trend is definitely still down on the weekly. Heading down to the daily, now we did have a breaker structure up on the daily, but a breaker structure does not mean trend reversal. A breaker structure could just mean that we're making a correction to the last impulsive move, which is what I think exactly what happened. I think we have three waves up to a 50% Fibonacci. I think we have another end of a correction, and I think we have another continuation of the downtrend. So taking it all the way down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'm pretty confident this really is the end of a correction. It looks like five waves up, wave A. Looks like three waves down, wave B. Looks like another five waves up for wave C. Kind of bounced around the 50% for quite a while, but it definitely looks like a three-wave pullback. Looks like it's respecting the 50%. Now, that doesn't mean that it might not pull back on sort of time frames, but I think overall, at least on this 4 hour time frame, it will continue to make lower lows, lower highs, and just keep on trending down. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, with all that higher time frame information in mind, I am definitely only looking for shorts. I definitely would not try to go short now. I would only be trying to go short on three-wave pullbacks. So if I do see three waves up, if I do see a nice impulsive move to the downside, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement level, then I definitely will take it as another sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend. The higher time frames make us think that we're back into the downtrend, especially like the daily and weekly. So on these shorter time frames, I'm definitely trading with the trend, which means I'm looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.